Hey, hi! What is this?
This is for baby brother.
This is for baby brother? You want to go meet him? Did you know what? He brought you presents too. Did you know that? Where's baby brother?
Look at the sound. He's not in my tummy anymore. Your shirt. I'm fixing it.
Yeah.
Can you open it for him? Can you help?
I want
Did you wrap it?
to wrap the toy. And then put I wrapped the toy. I wrapped the toy. I wrapped you a toy.
Oh,
I wrapped you a toy.
Anthony, look.
he's sleepy, isn't he?
Yeah, you'll have to look at it when he wakes up. He's gonna love it.
He's smiling.
Andy, say hi to Grace.
He's smiling.
Andy, say hi to Grace. She's your big sister. Sleepy.
You love it? Okay, now we just kiss him on the top of the head, right? That's where we kiss him. Can I give him a kiss
On
on
the
the
table.
head?